Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are feeling the fall weather. It is a beautiful day here in New Jersey, so I was feeling very inspired by the cold weather, which got this very dark and moody eye look I have going on, which was created with the brand new JACLYN and MORPHE palette. This is their Divine Neutral. It is stunning and it is buttery and it blends like a gem. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and just get right on ahead with this video. If you guys enjoyed this content, make sure you hit that like button down below. It really means a lot to me. And don't forget to hit up subscribe because I upload every single Thursday, so make sure you stay tuned for more. Let's jump right in. Okay, as you can see, I have the new MORPHE and JACLYN palette. I am so excited to finally use this and review it. I always find all of her shadows to be buttery. I know I don't need another neutrals palette, but I needed this one. Let's just take a minute to admire how beautiful this is. So it's officially fall over here in New Jersey. Today's a beautiful like 60-degree day. Doesn't really matter, but I'm really feeling like a smoky brown look. I don't know, but we're gonna go ahead and dive right in. All right, so I actually just went ahead and put my e.l.f. eye tapes on. Well, just on one eye. As always, I like to start with one eye first and just do the other eye off camera. That's just for time's sake. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this eye. I already went ahead off camera and primed my eyelids. I just primed it with this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. This is like my go-to if I really want to test a product because it's a really good primer. And I'm gonna start with the shade Good Vibes in the palette, which is like this medium tone brown right here. And then go in with a big fluffy brush, just put that all over my eyelid. Really focusing this on my crease. And now I'm just going in with the shade Barely, just barely, sorry. It's like a lighter brown. Probably really won't show much on my skin, but kind of like going in between the two and just going over what I already put on. These shades are always, they're just so buttery. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a little more of like a dense fluffy brush and go in with Boo Bear. It's this shade right here. I'm gonna focus this color mainly on my crease right here, bringing it downward. Starting off with my outer lid right here, and then just fluffing it in ever so gently. Now I'm gonna be going in with Cinnamon Roll, and this is more of like a flat blender brush, and really kind of putting this all over my lid, really focusing it on the outer corner, but also bringing it in. I'm gonna go back in with my fluffy brush and go back into the shade Boo Bear and just define that crease a little bit more. And then go back in with my fluffy brush with Good Vibes and kind of fluff that out on the outer corner, just so it's not too dark out there. This is a pretty dark, smoky eye. I said I was gonna go for it and I did. It looks so crazy when one eye is done and the other eye is like bare, but you know, it all comes together. It's a process, you know? I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade right here, which is Exposed, kind of like a dark brown shimmer. And I'm gonna put the shade in the middle of my eyelid right here. Blend it all together with Boo Bear. And I know I'm looking a little bit crazy right now, but I'm actually gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera. So I'll be right back, and hopefully lashes will bring this look together, because this is definitely like a more dramatic look. It's definitely not a natural everyday look, but it's definitely fall and smoky. So I'll be right back. All right, so I just removed the eye tapes and I was gonna do my lashes off camera, but I want to fix like this harsh line we have going on here. And I wanted to show you guys how I personally like to do it. We're gonna grab a nice dense fluffy brush. That was a little tongue twister there. And we're gonna go in with the shade Just Barely. You wanna go in with like a light shade, like kind of close to your skin tone. And just go ahead and like kind of like run that right next to that harsh line. It's really trying to buff it out, honestly. I mean, unless you like really like to have that harsh line there, I personally don't. But you can keep it if you want it. It's just a little bit too sharp for me. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. I'm not the best at putting them on, but they're on, okay? I can never seem to do that on camera. Anyways, this look is almost finished, and it definitely needed the lashes. Like, honestly, like my baby lashes were not doing this look any type of justice. So adding them on, I just feel like, you know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? Anyways, so going back into the palette, we need to finish this look and do the bottom lashes. Not the bottom lashes. We have to do the bottom eyeliner, and I personally like to go in with a very like skinny flat. I don't even know what is this called. I don't know. It's a Morphe brush, but this is like my favorite to like line the lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with cinnamon roll and just get it in there nice and tight on the bottom. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Boo Bear and mix that in with Good Vibes and fluff out this bottom eye. And just repeat on this eye. We're almost done with this look. I'm actually gonna go ahead and grab the lightest shade in the palette, which is Chic Happens. And I might mix it with All Luxe and just highlight the inner corner and my brow bone. And then that should be about it. And I personally always like to just go in with the biggest, fluffiest brush I ever have, clean with no product, and just kind of like blend everything together. All right, guys, and that wraps up today's look. I know it's very dramatic, very bold, very fall, if you will. If you love your like browns, your neutral shades, this palette is chef's kiss. I can't wait to keep playing with this. If you guys want to see more makeup looks from this specific palette, please let me know. And any other like Morphe JACLYN Hill palettes, I do have quite a few. I've also have a few of her own personal cosmetic line that's not palettes, it's just facial things. Let me just say, she's killing it. Anyways, I really enjoy this. I really enjoy this palette. I'm loving this makeup look. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. It really helps me out. And also go ahead and leave a subscribe. I upload every single Thursday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So subscribing will really keep you in the loop. And I know I took a little hiatus, which I explained in my previous video. So go ahead and make sure you check that out. But I'm here and I'm back for good. And as always, before I sign off, I want to leave you with this. You are beautiful, you are loved, and you are worthy. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.